episode of Mommy Sea Star. Today we are at the thrift store and we're going to do a treasure hunt. We're going to look for cool ceramic pieces so that we can fix up our indoor houseplant garden. You want to go with us? Yes. Does that sound fun? Are you losing some teeth?
Losing teeth?
Yeah, it looks good. I like your smile. It looks really good. And we're gonna look for nice pots for our plants. Maybe some coffee mugs, we'll see. Maybe some teacups. But it's gonna be a fun hour. We're actually here a couple minutes before it opens. People are still getting here. I'm waiting outside.
Look at this cool old school desk. Oh my goodness, these are hard to find. I'm gonna have to ask how much they want for this. This is great. Well, they didn't have any pots, but they have some really cool mugs, and these are great for planting things in because they don't have a roll bottom, so they're good to have in the house. You can find some really nice things to plant here. It's not that much work. It's a lot. Maybe not looking like much, but we got the desk. So we're gonna see if it'll fit in our car.
Two guys, and they tried every which way to fit it, and they fit it. They had to take off the top, so I have to fit this back on.
To fit it in. And see, this desk, just how it is, would be at least like $100. You can go on there and look. These old school desks are like so expensive, and I got it for, look at this, $7.
Look how nice it cleans up.
Inside, and look how cute it is. I love this old desk. It's a piece of history, and now it has a new life in our house. We'll do a lot of schoolwork on this little desk. Are you gonna sit on it? Can you sit at the desk? It's a real school desk.
You can use it now.
For your school every day. Thank you. Hey, this is homeschool, man. We can eat at our desk.
I hope you enjoyed this episode of Mommy Sea Star. That was a great adventure. Let's keep exploring.